Director of the Airport Authority of India at the Dabholi Airport has given assurance to the Congress activist that his office will check with the legalities of the public meeting that was held at the airport premises on Saturday, and has told them that he will file a police complaint if required. The Congress activist gherawed Airport Director BCH Negi on Monday. BJP National President Amit Shah had addressed his party workers after his arrival in Goa at the airport on Saturday. Congress had condemned this act of holding a party meeting at Goa airport by saying Goa's airport is a defense establishment and safety of such an important place was compromised. Goa Pradesh Congress activists under the leadership of AICC Secretary Girish Chodankar gherawed the airport authority director and demanded explanation on the issue on Monday.
We got clarification on this that no approval had been granted and therefore in a well-planned manner meeting was held illegally in the premises.
मेरे से पूछे परमिशन मेरे ऑफिस से दिया था नहीं दिया था, वो हमारे ऑफिस से कोई रिटर्न परमिशन
नहीं है, ओरल परमिशन दिया था।
That is what I have to check. राइटिंग में कोई परमिशन नहीं।
हाँ तो
Writing now.
Can you give the permission? Can you give the permission?
Setting.
It cannot be given from. It's not. I am not competent to give permission.
Amit Shah is not over and above the constitution.
Yeah.
He is not extra-constitutional authority. Even if the Prime Minister had to attend the meeting, the complaint should have filed against the Prime Minister because they have violated the laws and they have entered into your premises. So, जेन्ना आमी कॉपी मागली ताणें सांगलें की एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटीन ही मीटिंग घेवपाक आमी परमिशन दिल्ली ना, आमी कसलेंच परमिशन दिल्ली तांकां ना, ही मीटिंग आपल्याक खबर ना, ही मीटिंग कशी तेणी घेतली ती. सो त्या खातीर आमी ताका सांगलें सपोज फाल्यां जर हांव येवन मीटिंग करतलो फाल्यां थंय आमच्या पार्टीची जाल्यार तूं कितें करतलो. ताणें सांगलें आपल्या म्हाजेर कडक कारवाई करतलो, म्हाजेर पुलीस कंप्लेन करतलो. सो हांवें तांकां विचारलें की आतां तेणी मीटिंग घेतल्याक त्या सगळ्यांचेर तुवें पुलीस कारवाई करपाक जाय. तो म्हणटा आपूण ते चॅक करतलो आनी आयज सांज मेरेन कडक कारवाई आपूण करतलो आनी त्या हाजेर पुलीस कंप्लेनूय करतलो.
A reporter Hiru Mahale from Goa International Airport, Dabholi.